हेलो एवरीवन, व्हाट्स अप। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जर्मन गीक। और आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे लेसन 29 विथ अनदर न्यू टॉपिक। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड। एंड इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब्ड माय चैनल, डू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. लेट्स मूव ऑन to today's topic without delay. So, A1 lesson 29 पर्सोनल प्रोनोमेन डाटिव केस. सो हम पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस के बारे में पहले भी बात कर चुके हैं, बट दूसरे केस नॉमिनेटिव के बारे में वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड, accusative we have already discussed, and in today's video we are going to talk about personal pronoun in dative case, personal pronouns in dative case. So if you have not watched my previous videos on personal pronouns in both the cases, nominative and accusative, I would suggest you to go and watch those videos. And also my last video on what is dative case, I would suggest you to go and watch that video as well, so that it's clear to you what is dative before you actually watch this video, before you proceed to this lesson of personal pronouns in dative case. Now let's begin. Let's look at how it is used with a sentence. Now, das ist Tom. This is Tom. Tom ist mein Freund. He is my friend. To avoid the repetition of the name Tom, we will use personal pronoun er. So I have strike Tom and I have replaced it with the personal pronoun er. So er is the pronoun for Tom. Now let's look at the second sentence. Ich gebe Tom eine Schokolade. I will give Tom a chocolate. Now again, to avoid the repetition here, we will use ihm. So in the first sentence we are using er, and in this sentence we are using ihm instead of er. To avoid repetition of Tom, हमने क्या किया है, ईम यूज़ किया है सेकेंड सेंटेंस में. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में हमने एर यूज़ किया था. नाउ इस सेंटेंस में वाई आर वी यूजिंग ईम? बिकॉज Tom in this sentence is a dative object. So we need a dative personal pronoun. We will understand this further. Let's analyze this sentence. To understand this better, let's analyze it individually. Now, ich gebe ihm eine Schokolade. So what is happening here? Since ich is subject, ich सबसे पहले I'm breaking it down into all the three cases. We are analyzing this sentence case wise. So ish क्या है? Subject है, nominative case है. Eine Schokolade क्या है? Accusative है, accusative object है, which is direct. Direct case है, ये direct है. और ihm क्या है? Since the personal pronoun for Tom is er, we need a dative personal pronoun which is ihm. So ihm is dative object which is indirect. So I will give him a chocolate. Hence we use ihm in this sentence because this is a dative object. Now let's learn various dative personal pronouns. Let's learn various dative personal pronouns. Let's see how to use this in a sentence. So for ich, which means I, dative personal pronoun is mir, which means me. Now let's look at a sentence. Hi, ich bin Tina. Hi, I am Tina. So ich is in bold red. The second sentence is gibst du mir eine Schokolade? Will you give me a chocolate? In this sentence, du here is nominative, eine Schokolade is accusative, and mir is the dative object. So we are replacing ich with dative object mir because dative personal pronoun for ich is mir. Now let's look at second person informal. Du, which means you. The dative personal pronoun is dear. Okay, Tina, du bist schön. Tina, you are beautiful. Ich gebe dir eine Schokolade. I will give you a chocolate. So in this sentence again, ich is nominative, eine Schokolade is accusative, and dear is the dative object. Okay, so because in the first sentence it's du, dative personal pronoun is dear. So because it's a dative object here, ich gebe dir eine Schokolade, we are using the personal pronoun for du in dative case, which is dear. Now let's move on to second person formal, which is sie, which means you. The dative personal pronoun is ihnen, you. Now please note that the I here will be capital. Okay, even if it is in the middle of the sentence. Herr Schmidt, Sie sind nett. Mr. Schmidt, you are nice. Ich gebe Ihnen eine Schokolade. I will give you a chocolate. So here, Ihnen is the dative personal pronoun for Sie. Hence, we are using Ihnen. Das ist Tom, ist Arzt. Now for the dative personal pronoun is ihm. So means he and ihm means him. This is Tom, he is a doctor. Das ist Tom, ist Arzt. Ich gebe ihm eine Schokolade. Now again in this sentence, ich here is nominative, eine Schokolade here is accusative, and this is dative. Hence, we have already seen this in a sentence. We have already discussed this sentence. So, for the dative personal pronoun is ihm. Okay. Now, moving on. Third person feminine. Sie with small s, and dative personal pronoun for sie is ihr, which means her. Now here I will be small. Until unless the sentence begins with ihr, in that case I will be capital, but here I will always be small. Das ist Lina, sie ist Studentin. This is Lina, she is a student. Ich gebe ihr eine Schokolade. I will give her a chocolate. So again, for sie, dative personal pronoun is ihr. And also in sie, s will be small. Here, since the sentence is starting, hence s is in capital letter. Now moving on. S, third person, neutrum. Nominative s, which means it. Dative would be ihn. Das ist ein Kind, es ist süß. This is a child, it is sweet. Ich gebe ihm eine Schokolade. I will give him a chocolate. So, even for third person neutrum, the dative person pronoun is ihm. So, for s, it is ihm. Now, let's look at the plural ones. The first person plural, wir, which means we, and dative person pronoun is uns, which means us. Wir sind Mike und Sarah. We are Mike and Sarah. Gibst du uns eine Schokolade? Will you give us a chocolate? So again, gibst du uns. So the dative person pronoun for wir is uns. So du here is nominative, eine Schokolade is accusative, and uns here is dative object, and for wir the dative personal pronoun is uns. Now let's look at second person informal plural. Ihr, which is you all, and dative personal pronoun is euch. So Mike und Sarah, ihr seid nett. Here it will be one more T here, that is Tippfehler. Mike and Sarah, you are nice. Ich gebe euch eine Schokolade. I will give you a chocolate. So here euch is the dative personal pronoun for ihr. Now let's look at second person formal plural. Sie with capital S, irrespective where is it coming in the sentence, whether it's in the middle or in the beginning of the sentence, S will always be capital. Now here it should have been dative here and not accusative. Sorry for the mistake. So here for Sie, the dative personal pronoun is ihnen with I capital. So, Herr und Frau Müller, Sie sind nett. Mr. and Mrs. Müller, you are nice. Ich gebe Ihnen eine Schokolade. I will give you a chocolate. So, again here I will be capital, irrespective of where it's coming in the sentence. Now, Sie, here S is small, Sie means they, and ihnen means them. Here I is small. Das sind Petra und Jürgen, sie sind nett. This is Petra and Jürgen, they are nice. Ich gebe ihnen eine Schokolade. Now here you have to again be careful of whether I would be capital or small. So here I is small. Ich gebe ihnen eine Schokolade. I will give them a chocolate. Now let's quickly have a glance. Let's put all of them together. Here I have curated not only dative and nominative to have the comparison, to have the understanding, but also accusative, so that we have a quick glance of all the cases that we have covered so far, especially the personal pronouns that we have covered so far in all the cases, so that we have a quick recap of all of them together. So in nominative, ich is, in accusative it's mich, and in dative it's mir. Nominative du, accusative would be dich, and dative would be dir. Nominative would be for er, sie, es, it would be ihn, sie and es respectively in accusative case, and in dative case it would be ihm, ihr and ihm respectively. For wir it would be uns in accusative and also uns in dative. For ihr it would be euch in accusative and also euch in dative case. For sie and sie with small and capital, it would be sie and sie in accusative case, and ihnen with small I for small s and capital I for capital S, it would be ihnen and ihnen in dative case. So I hope the topic is clear to you. I hope you have got an idea of all the cases that we have covered so far, the personal pronouns in all the three cases, nominative, accusative and dative, and especially we have discussed dative in this. So I hope you have understood how to use the personal pronouns, what would be the personal pronouns in the dative case. So if you have watched this video till the end, do give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.